There are many biomes. It depends on how deep you classify them. You can see in this picture the different few biomes and where they are located. The tropical rainforest is always wet, never dry. They are usually found within 10 degrees of the equator, so being so close to the equator makes it very hot. Being so wet and hot makes the soil not very good. Rainforests are home to half the animals and plants in the world. 2/3 of the planet's flowering can be found in the rainforest. A single section of a rainforest could have 42,000 different species of insects, 807 trees, and 313 species. The tropical rainforests have been called the world's largest pharmacy because over 1/4 of natural medicines have been discovered in the tropical rainforest. Here is a climatogram showing temperature and an average of how many days it rains in a month and how much. It also shows the humidity and sunshine hours. Here is a lianas, which is woody vines that hang on forest trees. They have adapted to life in the rainforest by having their roots in the ground and high on the tree canopy to reach sunlight. Many start at the top of trees and work their way to the ground. This is a drip tip of a leaf. These have adapted because of the extreme rainfall in the rainforest. The reason they call them drip tips is because it allows the rain to fall off quickly. Plants need to shed water to avoid growth of fungus and bacteria in the warm, wet, tropical rainforest. Buttrusses are large trees with giant ridges at the base of the tree that can rise up to 30 feet before blending in with the trunk. These provide extra stability because the roots of these trees are not as deep as your average temperate zone tree roots. The pink Amazon River dolphin. They have short, stiff hairs on their beak that are sensory organs, helping them sense when prey is close. This helps them because of the muddy river bottoms. They can also, unlike most dolphins, move their neck to all sides. The length of their fins help them move circularly while swimming. The three-toed sloth are built perfectly. Their arms are longer than their legs, and feet are curved to grab branches. They can't walk on all four limbs, but are good swimmers. The sloth being slow also helps them. It helps them stay hidden from predators. The squirrel monkey have large teeth to help eat insects. The monkey's fingers can move just about anywhere so that they can pluck fruit. The tail is not used to hang on trees. They can't do that. It is actually for keeping the squirrel monkeys in balance. This is the black caiman. It is the largest predator in the Amazon basin, known for its black, scaly skin. It is found in slow-moving rivers and lakes. The blue and gold macaw usually lives in flocks up to 100 birds. They feed on mostly fruit seeds, nuts, leaves, and flowers. Red-bellied piranhas have a red belly, but the rest of the body is hidden. The blue morpho butterfly is one of 80 butterfly species in the Amazon rainforest. Their eyes are very sensitive to UV light and allows males to see each other from a long distance. They hold their wings together while sleeping to hide the color from predators. Here's the scarlet macaw. It has high level of intelligence and a long lifespan, some living more than 60 years. The number of the macaw have been decreasing due to poaching. Anacondas are agile in water because they have eyes on the top of their heads. They can watch the unseen prey. They eat many animals such as pigs, turtles, and jaguars. Here I have some producers: the orchid tree, seeds, bamboo tree, coconut tree, and a banana tree. Here is a grasshopper, which eats the banana tree and the coconut tree. These fruit bats also eat the coconut trees and banana trees. Monkeys eat the banana trees, bamboo trees, and coconut trees. And these macaws eat orchid trees, banana trees, and seeds. These secondary consumers, like vampire bats, eat grasshoppers. The iguanas and frogs also eat grasshoppers. Tertiary consumers, like the python, eat macaws and fruit bats. The jaguar eats monkeys, macaws, and frogs. The rainforests are affected by large-scale fragmentation. Habitat fragmentation caused by geological process like volcanoes and climate change. They are also used for heavy logging and agricultural clearance. This affects many species and is one of the primary causes of major species extinction. The rainforests are also quickly shrinking around the world.